Buenos dias and welcome to Spanish 1B. Before I show you the Canvas page, one really important announcement is that my class will be held in Miss Jacobs' room. That's upstairs in the red hall. She's an art teacher, so I will teach in her classroom during second period. We will have Spanish in the art room second period, so make sure you go there. Last semester I taught in Miss Kruger's room, but I'm being changed to Miss Jacobs' room. So make sure you get there tomorrow for class. So for our Canvas course, I set up all the weeks like this, and you can click on there, Semana Uno, and it will say what we're doing for the day, our objective, and the tasks. So yesterday was a holiday. Then today, our goal, our objective is I can present myself in Spanish, puedo presentarme en español, and your entire assignment should take you maybe 15 to 20 minutes today. It isn't long. So you're watching the video for me, and then you'll complete this survey. It's all going to be in English. It's a chance for me to get to know you a little bit better. And then you'll do this assignment in Flipgrid. Should maybe take you 3 minutes. I'm going to show that to you really quickly. I know everybody loves to record themselves, so if you want to put filters on it, it's fine. This is a chance for you to get to know me and then see who else is in the class. I think everybody's always curious who else is going to be in our class. We have a class of 32 students, so it'll be pretty big. In your video, you're going to say 3 things in Spanish. You're going to say your name using this sentence frame, me llamo, and then your name, which is literally I call myself. So, me llamo Señora Goodrich, how old you are, using this sentence frame, tengo 12 años, if you're 12, 13, if you're 13, 14, if you're 14 años, and then if you prefer gatos or perros, so you'll either say prefiero gatos or prefiero perros, and if you can roll your R's, that'll be really cool. It's totally fine if you can't. And if you are feeling unsure, you can watch my video, see how it sounds. I don't care if you say it perfectly or not, but let us get to know you a little bit. You can also go into modules here, just like any other class. And so we've got our weekly agenda, which I showed you with the assignments for today. I'm going to go back to the agenda. One other thing, there is a Zoom link. So if you have any questions or you just want to pop on to say hi, you can join my Zoom link anytime between 8:30 and 10 tomorrow Tuesday morning. Let's just look a little bit more at what we have on the page. We'll talk more about some of these in class. This is how you get a hold of me. And I'm only at school for second and third periods, so if you would like me to meet me outside of class time, send me an email. We can arrange a time to meet in person or talk over Google Meet. So I'm only a part-time teacher, but I try to be available as you need me. I have una familia, mi esposo, y 3 hijos, and soy de Cody, Wyoming. And me encanta trabajar en mi jardín. I like to work in my garden. Cultivamos muchas frutas y verduras y flores. We grow a lot of fruits and vegetables and flowers. Me gusta ser activa y pasar tiempo con mi familia. I like to be active and spend time with my family. Montamos en bicicleta y hacemos caminatas. We like to go bike riding and hiking. So that's a little bit about me. There are going to be some other things down here that you can refer to when you need, and like I said, we'll talk about some of them more in Spanish class. But I am looking forward to getting to know all of you and having a great year in Español 1B. Gracias.